Bell has lots of resources for a startup operation. They have the CSE support, like myself. There's PSE. There's the sales team. There's the customer service facilities. That's customer. Sorry. Hey, Larry, how you doing? My job as a customer service engineer is I man my phone and computer 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If I've got a customer who's got an issue, I'm usually the first one that gets called. And depending on what that is, I will either be on site to assist with the customer or work with them over the phone to get them back in the air.
We do have a newer aircraft. We did have some maintenance items that we had to take care of, which I was able to contact Drew direct. Drew, without hesitation, came out. He's like, hey, we can't do this over the phone. I'm driving over there. I'll see you in a day or two. He came and he spent, I think, 2 or 3 days with us. We literally dissected the components that we need to dissect.
You're bound to run into a few issues here and there. Depending on the severity of it, I can be with the customer later that day or the next day, or we can troubleshoot it over the phone. It's in being personable with the customer, building a relationship.
I like Bell. I'm a Bell guy, and we're able to be successful because of the support that we had behind us.